The single leg deadlift should be a hinge just like any other deadlift. A lot of the time you'll see people do single leg deadlifts and you'll see them and they'll lean forward, or worse, they'll kind of send their leg back and fold their body forward. All those things, while they may have some value, aren't achieving what a single leg deadlift should achieve. Single leg deadlifts are great for your backside strength, for your stability for your knee and strengthening your foot, as well as giving you that sort of asymmetrical load so that your body has to stabilize against the force. So when you do your single leg deadlift, I want you to think about reaching back and pretending that you don't know if the surface behind you is solid or not. So I'm nice and solid. Karen Smith, Master SFG, I saw her use this cue once where she rocked the foot forward, getting that all nice and straight. And then you're going to keep that nice position that you've just found, and you're just going to sense whether the ground is solid as you go back. You'll notice as I do this that my back leg is not taking a lot of the weight. It's all centered on my front foot, and then I come back up. Same thing on the other side. I'm reaching the leg back, keeping everything together, and there should be a straight line all the way from my shoulder to my heel. All right. Another way of thinking of the single leg deadlift is if I hinge down, all right, I'm in my my regular hinge position. That could be for a deadlift, for a swing, for whatever. But then I should still have that same sort of angle when I come into my single leg deadlift. And experimenting with the floor will help you to find that.